Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
First of all, it's really good to see you after a long time, sir.
Thank you.
Big congratulations. The trailer is getting a huge response from the audiences. What kind of appreciation you're getting from the audiences, your friends or fraternity?
So, the least of these, a Graham Sain story. It's an English film, my first Hollywood film, so to say. Released in the US last month and now in India end of this month on the 29th of March. फेजेस में रिलीज़ हो रही है, आगे जा कर के साउथ अफ्रीका, ईस्ट अफ्रीका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूरोप इवेंचुअली. It's a story about Graham Sain, a missionary against whom allegations were made that he was forcibly converting Hindus into the faith of Christianity. So the story is told through the eyes of this journalist, the character that I play, Manav Kaul, who is desperately seeking for a job, a permanent job in a publication house that he's working for. And he happens to hear about Graham Sain and he decides to pursue this story. And the pursuit of this story, whether Graham is doing what he's doing for the right reasons or for the wrong reasons, we unveil the story of the entire film.
Okay, so the story deals with a very sensitive topic and also international scandal. So what made you to choose this subject?
जी देखिए, ये पिक्चर बहुत ही एक अच्छे नीयत से बनाई गई है. देयर इज़ एंड मैसेज ऑफ दिस फिल्म इज़ ओनली ऑफ लव, पीस, टॉलरेंस, हार्मनी. ये इंसिडेंट उड़ीसा में हुआ है, ये इंसिडेंट यूएस में भी हो सकता था, ये इंसिडेंट यूरोप में भी हो सकता था, ये इंसिडेंट मिडल ईस्ट कहीं पे भी हो सकता था. ऐसा ही इंसिडेंट हाल ही में अभी न्यूजीलैंड में हुआ है, विच इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. ऐसे एक्सट्रीम एक्ट्स are very detrimental and for our generation, for the coming generations, and we hold a responsibility, I feel, all of us, to in our own little way to spread the message of love, peace, harmony, tolerance in multiple ways that we possibly can, because it's only through awareness that we'll be able to fight this acts of horrific nature. That's what I endeavor through this film is, okay, at the end of the film, it's not about the incident per se, it's not about to whom it happened, where it happened. Of course, this is the Graham Sain story, there's no doubt about that. But the bigger message, the larger message is that what happened was extremely unfortunate and we shouldn't be happening ever again, and love and peace is the only way of living.
Okay, sir, whenever we do a movie, we get to know or we learn something from the movie. What was the learning side from this movie?
मुझे बस ये ज़रूर कंसर्न था कि मुझे इसको किसी भी तरह से कंट्रोवर्शियल किस्म की फिल्म बनाने का कोई इरादा हम में से किसी का ना हो. आई वांटेड टू इंश्योर दैट, और हम में से किसी का नहीं था. वंस आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट आई रियलाइज, बिकॉज फिर से मैं दोहरा रहा हूँ कि ये स्क्रिप्ट के ज़रिए एंड मैसेज खाली ये देना चाह रहे हैं कि लव एंड पीस इज़ व्हाट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और उसकी अहमियत मैंने उस वक्त भी समझ रहा था, लेकिन अभी 2 साल से पिक्चर बन रही है, उन 2 सालों में ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें हुई है, मुझे उसकी अहमियत और भी ज़्यादा मैं महसूस करता हूँ और एहसास करता हूँ.
ओके सर, ये मूवी में कन्वर्ट होने का बताया है. इलीगल कन्वर्शन इज अ अब्यूजिव सब्जेक्ट. So what kind of you have seen in the personally, have you seen any kind of something?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so what kind of message you like to give from this movie?
Love and peace, very very crucial for us, for our children, for the future generation, and let's just thrive on that, and let's make sure that that message is spread across each and every individual across this globe, and please help us in spreading the same message.
Okay, apart from this, you're also dabbling in a web series. So are you nervous, excited, because the web series has become a huge platform as compared to other medium? So what do you like to say about the web series and the medium?
Gee, it's a great platform. Web shows, very exciting, very different kind of subjects are being worked upon, and I'm extremely motivated and inspired with the content that the web shows are offering, and it's blissful for all the creative people involved, and I'm sure for the audiences. So it's wonderful.
Okay, sir. Lastly, what would you like to say? Your movie has been releasing very soon. Any message you'd like to give to your fans?
Releasing in the theaters, the least of these, on the 29th of March. Please go there and watch it. Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.